Good morning. Today we are discussing the role of public sector in India. In the last class we have discussed what is the public sector. So what is the public sector? The public sector is the enterprise and owned and managed and controlled by the government, state government, central government and local government agencies. In the last class we have discussed what is the objective of the public enterprises. The last class discussed the main aim of the establishment of the public enterprises to equally distribute the wealth in the nations. The aim of the public enterprise is to provide the maximum employment opportunities in the nations and through which enhance the GDP of the nations. When we talk about the ownership of the public enterprises, the ownership of the public enterprises by the government and partly by the individual persons and private institutions. Before independence, the some public sector in India, only one and two, that is the railways, post and telegraphs services. But after the independence, the government realized that the establishment of the industries in India and then the establishment of the public enterprises. In 1954, the India adopt the socialist pattern of the society, and in 1956, after the industrial revolutions, the set up the public enterprise in the large scale. When we talk about the role of the public enterprises, the today topic, the different role of the public enterprises. The first is the promote economic development and a rapid pace for filling gaps in the industrial structure. For establishment of any type of business organizations, any type of business, the requirement of the heavy investments. And after the investments, the return of the investments are not secure, where the private entrepreneurs, the private persons, not interested for the investment the money for establishing the business, because the heavy investment is required. So the public enterprise, the filling the gap between where the industrial set up the industrial structures in nations. Through the set up the industrial structures, the fulfill the requirements of the peoples in the nations, the provide the employment opportunities and enhance the GDP of the nations. That is the aim of the public enterprise, to promote economic development. How develop the economy of the nations? कि पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस का जो मेन एम रोल है कि कैसे जो भी इकोनॉमी है नेशंस का, उसको हम कैसे डेवलप करेंगे. तो जब तक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशंस नहीं होंगे तब तक किसी भी नेशंस का जो इकोनॉमी है वो डेवलप नहीं होगा. तो कैपिटल फॉर्मेशंस किस तरह हम करें? तो कैपिटल फॉर्मेशंस के लिए द सेटअप द इंडस्ट्रीज and through which the formations of the capital and enhance the GDP of the nations and enhance the economy of the nations. Second, the promoting adequate infrastructural facilities for the growth of the economy. Infrastructural facility for the performing the any type of business, the infrastructure facility is essential. Infrastructure facilities like road, transportations, water, electricities, all other infrastructure facilities, communications facilities. So the aim of the role of the public enterprises, the setup of the public enterprises to adequate the sufficient where the infrastructure facilities is required. When we set up the public enterprises, the aim of the government to grow the backward areas of the nations, not only the develop the economy. The aim of the government to set up the public enterprises to grow the poor areas of the nations, कि जहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, जो एरिया डेवलप नहीं है, उस एरियाज को हम कैसे डेवलप करेंगे. तो उसके लिए क्योंकि प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स या प्राइवेट पर्सन्स वहीं पे इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करते हैं जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल हों. तो गवर्नमेंट का जो मेन एम था पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस के थ्रू कि जहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है और एक सफिशिएंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करना, जिससे जो भी गवर्नमेंट तो वहाँ इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करेगी और जो भी प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स या प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल्स जो भी वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करना चाहते हैं, या जब तक हम सफिशिएंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड नहीं करेंगे तब तक कोई भी प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स वहाँ पे बिजनेस स्टार्ट या इंडस्ट्री सेटअप नहीं करेगा. तो यहाँ पे पब्लिक इंटरप्राइज का जो रोल है कि प्रमोट करना कि सफिशिएंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल, यस और नो. Second, third is undertaking economic activity in those strategically significant development areas where private sectors may distort the state of national objective. अभी हमने कहा कि जो भी एरियाज है उस एरियाज को हम कैसे डेवलप करेंगे कि जहाँ पे प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स भी उस एरियाज में सेटअप कर सके, वहाँ पे वो परफॉर्मेंस कर सके. तो दिस इज द रोल ऑफ द पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस. फोर्थ इज promoting balanced regional development and diversifying natural resources and other infrastructure facilities. The regional development, balanced regional development. The aim of the public enterprises through which the equally distribute, equally set up the development, regional development. How develop the regions? Regions, any regions develop through when the set up the industry. When we set up the industry, we provide the employment opportunities, and after get the employment opportunities to enhance the per capita income and through which the enhance the GDP of the nations. So public enterprise की और diversifying natural resources. The aim of the public enterprise utilize the natural resources in the right way, in the right manner. कि जो भी natural resources हैं उस नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को सही तरीके से, क्योंकि प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मे बी misuse the natural resources for own benefits, but the government utilize the natural resources for the welfare of the society, for the welfare of the nations. So the aim of the public enterprises to the diversifying natural resources and other infrastructure facilities, where the requirements of the infrastructure facilities and how use the different natural resources of the nations. That is the role of the public enterprises. The next is reducing disparities in the distributions of income and wealth by widening the gap between the rich and poor persons, poor people in the nations. अभी हमने कहा कि इनकम की डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द इनकम एंड वेल्थ. Why India adopt the socialist pattern? In December 1954, the India adopted the socialist pattern of the society. At the aim that the equally distribute the income and wealth in the nations. Eliminate the main aim, the setup of the public enterprises, the eliminate the differences between the rich and poor persons in the nations. So the aim of the public enterprises. Next, creating and enhancing sufficient employment opportunities in different sectors. Provide the employment opportunities. Create the employment opportunities. The employment is, without the creating the employment opportunities, no nations can be enhance the economy, and without the employment opportunities, no any nations develop the economy of the any type of nations. In the developing country like India, the provide the maximum employment opportunities is the important for the development. Why? Because of the how a government create the fund, how a government create the economy. The generations of the economy, generations of the fund by the government through the taxes, and taxes paid by the people. And without the income, why people pay the tax? So when we get the employment opportunities, when get the employment, and through which the enhance the economy, create the economy, and develop the economy of the nations. So the creating insufficient employment. The private entrepreneurs, the private sectors, not to fulfill the total employment requirement of the employment in the nations, but the aim of the public enterprise is to creating the maximum employment opportunities. Next is attaining self-reliance in different technological as per requirements. Self-reliance. अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारे देश में कि कहा जाता है कि लोकल के लिए वोकल हो. किस self-reliance, that is to keep in the not only the produce the product, but for the production of the product, this type of the technologies are required, this type of machineries are required. कि अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि अभी हाल के दिनों में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कहा कि जो भी डिफेंस रिलेटेड जो भी इक्विपमेंट्स या जो भी आर्म्स हैं, वो आर्म्स खुद इंडिया अपने आप वो उसको मैन्युफैक्चर करेगा. तो मैन्युफैक्चर कहाँ पे होंगे? क्योंकि एडम स्मिथ ने कहा कि किसी भी देश के लिए जो भी आर्म्स या जो भी उससे रिलेटेड सेक्टर्स हैं, वो प्राइवेट इंटरप्रेन्योर्स को, अगर वो प्राइवेट इंटरप्रेन्योर्स या प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स के थ्रू वो परफॉर्म होते हैं, तो वो उस देश के लिए वो बेनिफिशियल नहीं होगा, हार्मफुल होगा. उसके सिक्योरिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वो उसके लिए बेनिफिशियल नहीं होगा. तो एडम स्मिथ ने कहा कि जो भी इस तरह के इंडस्ट्री हैं, इस तरह के सेक्टर हैं, उस सेक्टर्स को गवर्नमेंट को खुद उसमें इन्वॉल्व होकर खुद उसे सेटअप करके उसका प्रोडक्शन करना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस का जो रोल है कि सेल्फ रिलायंस डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजिकल एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, कि जो भी हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिक्वायरमेंट्स या जिस टाइप का रिक्वायरमेंट है, उस रिक्वायरमेंट को हम खुद अपने आप फुलफिल करें, किसी पे डिपेंडेंसी ना हो, कि किसी पे हम डिपेंडेंट ना हो कि अदर नेशंस या अदर नेशंस के टेक्नोलॉजीज के थ्रू हम अपने आप को हम डेवलप करेंगे. So this is the role of the public enterprises. And last is eliminating dependence of foreigners and foreign technology. अभी हमने कहा कि जो भी dependency, eliminate the dependency of the foreign trade and foreign technology. That is the aim of the public enterprises. So this is the role of the public enterprises. After the completing the public enterprises, in short we have discussed the classifications of the public enterprises. The different type of classifications of the 5 classifications of the public enterprises. That is the different. That is the first is classifications of public enterprises. That is the commercial public enterprises. The commercial enterprises, this type of enterprises set up by the government, and this type of enterprises only not involved in the productions activities. It only involve the training and marketing of the product. इस टाइप के जो enterprises हैं वो productions में involved नहीं होते हैं, सिर्फ वो ट्रेडिंग और मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटीज़ हैं इसमें वो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, फाइनेंशियल, प्रमोशनल्स एंड पब्लिक यूटिलिटीज public enterprises. These are the classifications of the public enterprises. So today discuss the role of public enterprises and classifications of the public enterprises. Okay, thank you. Next class we will discuss the other topic of the public